Ready to turn your USDT into Solana right within your Solflare wallet? Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Solflare wallet app downloaded and set up on your device. If you're new to Solflare, you'll need to create a new wallet or import an existing one, following the on-screen prompts to securely store your seed phrase. Once you're in your wallet, ensure you have USDT available to swap. You should see your USDT balance displayed. If you don't have USDT, you'll need to deposit some into your Solflare wallet first. Now, locate the swap function within the Solflare interface. It's usually represented by a pair of arrows. Tap on it to initiate the swap process. On the swap screen, select USDT as the token you want to exchange from the top drop-down. Then, select Solana as the token you want to receive from the bottom drop-down. This is where you're telling the wallet that you want to convert USDT into Solana. Enter the amount of USDT you want to swap in the designated field. A Solflare wallet will automatically calculate the estimated amount of Solana you will receive based on the current market exchange rate. Before confirming, carefully review the swap details, including the estimated Solana you will receive, any network fees associated with the transaction, and the slippage tolerance. Understanding these fees is key to successful crypto trading. If everything looks correct, tap the swap or confirm button to execute the trade. You might be prompted to authorize the transaction with your password or biometric authentication. After confirming, the transaction will be processed on the Solana blockchain. This may take a few seconds or minutes. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message and your Solana balance will update accordingly.